Did you know that understanding hurricanes can improve your health? Recent studies reveal that the same atmospheric pressure changes causing hurricanes can also affect our bodies. When a hurricane forms, the drop in barometric pressure can lead to headaches and joint pain for some. But here's the twist. By monitoring these pressure changes, we can predict and manage these symptoms better. Simple lifestyle adjustments, like staying hydrated and maintaining a balanced diet, can mitigate these effects. So, next time a hurricane is on the horizon, remember, it's not just about the weather, it's about your well-being too.